race you to the ball pit.
Okay, Blippi, cuddle ball, activate!
Whoa! Silly somersaults. Whoa!
That was totally awesome, Debo. Is that a puppy? I love puppies!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo and Blue. What's your name? Lily. What a cute name.
Great idea, Lily. Blippi, Lily wants you to throw the ball for us.
Okay, Lily and Blue, are you ready?
Yes, yes, yes!
Go fetch! Look at how fast Lily's tail is wagging. I wonder, why do dogs wag their tails?
Uh-oh, I think Debo's broken. Oh no, Lily's probably scared. Debo, try giving her a treat. Now hold out your paw so she can sniff you and know you're a friend. Yeah, Lily! All better.
Do you want me to throw the ball again?
She's so excited.
Ready, go, fetch!
Oh, she's so happy.
Too hard, Blue.
Oh no, is Debo okay? Debo, you're all better. Hugs?
Not so hard, Blue. Good girl, Lily. Good girl.
She's so cute. Hugs?
Be gentle, Blue.
Oh, yes, right.
Hey, look at how fast her tail is wagging.
Yeah, dogs wag their tails as a way of showing emotion, like fear or excitement. Just like my antennas glow different colors for all my different feelings.
I got the answer to my question. Why do dogs wag their tails? Dogs wag their tails to show emotions like fear or excitement. Upload answer, Debo. Good girl, Lily. Good girl. Sorry, Tabs. I was just making a T-Rex shadow puppet with my hand. Aw, what a tiny dinosaur. I wonder, what was the smallest dinosaur? Good idea, Tabs. Let's go back in time and find out. Going back in time! Whoa! We traveled 125 million years into the past, Tabs. Whoa! A dinosaur! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. You wouldn't happen to be the smallest dinosaur, would you?
Oh, phew! I thought you were a scary dinosaur. I'm Seamus. This is just my head. I'm stuck again.
Never fear! Mina is here! Howdy, I'm Mina the Microraptor. What do you say we try to dig my friend Seamus out? I might be only 1 foot tall, but I'm pretty strong. I've got an idea. Be back in a jiffy!
Coconut shovels? What a great idea!
Lucky for us, my 4 wings help me fly up there extra fast.
Oh no! My coconut shovel broke.
Mine too. Are you able to move, Seamus?
Well, you did your best, but I guess I live here now.
Maybe if we had something slippery, we could pull you out.
Hey, I know a cave filled with super slippery slime. This way!
Whoa! This hole is super tiny. Are you sure you can fit?
Never fear, Mina is here. Be right back.
Whoa! Are you okay?
I got the slime.
Yeah!
Oh, I can't believe it. I'm free.
Hooray! We did it! Roar!
I might be the smallest dinosaur, but even I can do better than that.
Wait, Microraptors are the smallest dinosaurs?
We sure are, and we roar like this.
Roar!
Ah, scary dinosaurs! Run for your lives!
Ferocious friends sure are fun. And I got the answer to my question. What was the smallest dinosaur? The smallest dinosaur was the Microraptor. Microraptors are only 1 foot tall, have 4 wings, and lived 125 million years ago. Upload answer tabs.
See you later, Blippi.
Bye-bye, Mina.
I don't think your guitar is working right, Debo. I wonder, how does a guitar work? You're right, Debo. Let's go find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station.
Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Rock and roll! That sounded great. I love it. Thank you.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
I'm picky.
We were wondering how a guitar works. Can you show us?
I can, but I can't work the guitar by myself. I'll need your help to play it right.
Okay.
When I pick a string, it goes back and forth really fast, which makes a note.
Whoa, you're right, Debo. My string is much thicker than yours. I bet it's harder to balance for you.
The faster the string goes back and forth, the higher the note.
How do you make other notes on a guitar?
That's why I needed your help. Hey, Debo, could you move towards the far end of the neck, mate? Now back towards me. Solo!
Well, that explains how different notes are made. Why does the guitar have such a big body?
That's the part that makes it loud. Thank you. Hey, come stand over here on the soundboard.
We're going up and down, too!
When I pluck the string, the whole guitar body vibrates, and the sound hole there makes it super loud, like shouting while cupping your hands over your mouth.
Hello! Wow! That was loud!
Right, practice is over. Time to jam. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you! And now I have the answer to my question. How does a guitar work? Guitars work because the strings vibrate and make sound, which is made louder by causing the whole hollow guitar body to vibrate. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Picky.
Bye, Blippi. Bye, Devo. Remember to always keep rocking.